Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to do a fried fish, simple salted fried fish. I'm using the tilapia, you could be using anything you want. And we're going to make a really kind of sweet sauce that goes on top of it with a little kick of chili. Very easy, absolutely wonderful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so we're going to get started with our fish. So I've got this one tilapia here that's been cleaned. Cleaned meaning that the inside, the guts have been taken out and it's been descaled and all the trimmings, the fins, sharp fins on the top have been taken off. You can get your fishmonger to do that, or you can buy them in the shop already cleaned. Now what I've done is I've scored the fish on both sides quite a lot. Can you see that? They're all quite close together. And what we're about to do now is get quite a lot of salt on this. It's going to look like an incredible amount. Okay, and then what we're going to do is open it up and see if we can just rub that a little bit in there. We're going to flip it over, do the other side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the cooker and we're going to fry this off. Again, a little massage, see if we can get a few bits inside. And then a little bit on the inside. But when I say a little bit, it's actually quite a lot. Now remarkably, this fish is not going to taste like super salty, don't worry about that. So you've done that, over to the cooker now. We're going to drop this in and we're going to fry this baby for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side in some oil. So here we are at the cooker. I've got about 2 to 3 centimeters of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could be using corn, canola, something like that. I'm going to grab the fish, nicely salted, drop the fish in. And I'm going to go, like I say, 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Don't flip it too often, so just 4 minutes, flip it, 4 minutes like that. Okay, off goes the heat. That fish is looking absolutely wonderful. Out she comes, set that aside. Discard that oil, apart from kind of maybe 10% of it. So our fish is done, we've set that aside. Let's take a look at these ingredients. At the back here, 1, 2, 3. Onions, bell peppers, both cut nice and thin. About a cup and a half of each there. Ketchup, cup of ketchup. 1, 2, 3. These are quarter cups. We've got here fish sauce, honey, oyster sauce, and some green or spring onions there. At the front now, 1, 2, 3. We've got maybe 2 tablespoons of ginger cut into nice thin strips. The same with garlic chopped. And then here a teaspoon of black pepper and chili powder. Let's get back to the cooker and create this wonderful sauce that's going to go on top of our fish. So I've reduced the oil down a lot by sort of 90%. And I also scooped out a bit of salt because there was quite a lot of salt left in there. Right, we're on maximum heat now. Keep the heat really high for this process. So we're going to go in with our ginger, our garlic, our onions, and our bell peppers. Now we want a nice crunch on everything for this. We don't want to overcook this. I'm now going to go with that chili powder, which is actually optional, but I think it's nice in there, and the black pepper. Keep it moving here just for a bit. Then we're going to go in with our fish sauce. Really salty. Our oyster sauce. Our honey. So salty and sweet. And I'm obviously not going to be adding any salt to this. Then our ketchup. More sugar. Really high heat. Just a few more seconds on there. Off goes the heat. In go the green onions. Little mix. Let's pour this beautiful, tangy, sweet, with a little kick sauce onto our fish. Okay, so there's our fish, here's our sauce. Over she goes. And that is wonderful. So you've got a lot of salt there, you've got a lot of sweetness, and that's it. Serve that with some lovely rice, just some plain rice or some fried noodles. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.